This is my review for the safebest bike lock. It feels really heavy duty and strong. The protection over the coils are really thick, and it's coiled up really good, so it's easy for you to take on the go. Just a little bit on how to reset your combination because it comes set at 0. You just look on the inner part. There's a knob on the inside with an arrow, and it says reset. You're going to turn it to the direction of the arrow when you're resetting it to whatever combination you want it at. I'm going to put the combination back to 0, which is what it came at. And then when you're done putting the numbers that you want, make sure it's lined up with this line here. You have to go back and change this back to the opposite direction of the arrow where it's pointing to lock that combination in. Once it's in, change, and then it's locked. And put it back, and it unlocks. I really like this because it was really simple with resetting the combination, and it also comes with this little gadget that you can attach to it, this part, and there's a release button for it. But overall, I think this is a really good choice for a bike lock, and I would recommend it.